Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this elegant updo hair combo in Dress and Press. Okay, let's get into it guys. Okay, first of all, I'm going to go to the hairstyle selection, and to create the elegant updo hairstyle, you're going to go to the updo category, and here we just need 3 hairs. Okay, for the first hair, you can choose this hair, and then you're going to choose no bangs, and for the color, you can color it as you like, and for me, I'm just going to make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next hair. You're going to put on this hair, and then we're going to choose only bangs, and then for the color, I'm just going to make it the same color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then the last one, you're going to choose this hair, and I'm going to make it the same color. Okay, and finally you will have this elegant updo hairstyle or hair combo. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.